Hi, my name is Saharsh Singh. This is a demo of the integration between Duro and Epsilon3. The Duro and Epsilon3 integration is currently a one-way integration that allows you to sync your Duro products and components into the Epsilon3's builds module as Epsilon3 parts. Once the integration is enabled for your Duro account in Epsilon3 workspace, you'll see a webhook very similar to this one created for you in your Duro webhooks library. The configuration that you see here is automatically generated. And we'll look at the key pieces for this webhook configuration. First is this webhook URL. This is a unique URL for your account and your Epsilon3 workspace. And this URL is where payloads are sent by the webhook as the webhook fires. The event type here shows that by default, the webhook is configured only to fire when change orders are approved and once those change orders are approved against your live data. And finally, this option here, which is really the key piece, which says to include all components and products data attached to that change order in the payload that is sent to this URL. So that's the gist of the configuration for the webhook that is generated for you once the integration is enabled. So let's see an example sync in action. So here I've got an Imager flight unit product in my Duro account. It's just a mock product I put together. This has a BOM full of sub-assemblies, and those sub-assemblies have components of their own. So I've drafted up some changes here for this product to create a new revision and release it. So I'll go ahead and add this to a change order. And you can see that the product is included in this change order. So once I go ahead and submit this for approval, and then go ahead and approve that change order. Now, as that change order gets approved, the webhook is going to fire. And as it fires, a payload is sent to that webhook target URL we saw earlier, sending over this product so that Epsilon3 can go ahead and sync those Duro product components that are affected by that change order. So now when we come back to the Epsilon3 builds module here, this parts list that was initially empty, if you look at it now, we'll see that all the products components data have been synced over. I can see, searching for it, my Imager flight unit product is synced over. And we can also see its entire BOM has synced over as well. So now the users of this Epsilon3 workspace can perform actions like submitting purchase orders against vendor-supplied parts, manage inventory for all the parts, and also draft and run assembly, test, and maintenance procedures using the Epsilon3 procedures module. That's a quick overview of the integration between Duro and Epsilon3. Hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching this demo.